What if a music group could move the stock market? Not just charts, not just streaming numbers. We're talking about billions of dollars, investor confidence, and global market momentum, all shifting because 7 artists decide to come back. That's exactly what's happening with BTS. As the world anticipates their long-awaited return, one company stands at the center of it all: HYBE Corporation. But here's the real question. White right pointing backhand index, is this just hype? Or are we witnessing one of the most powerful economic effects in entertainment history? Let's break it all down. 1. The global power of BTS. More than just music. To understand why a comeback could impact stocks, we need to understand one thing. BTS is not just a music group, they are an economic force. Since their debut, BTS has dominated global charts, Billboard, Spotify, Apple Music, sold out stadiums worldwide, generated billions in revenue, influenced tourism, fashion, and even diplomacy. At their peak, BTS contributed significantly to South Korea's GDP. Some estimates suggest billions annually. This level of influence creates something rare: a direct connection between entertainment performance and financial markets. 2. HYBE Corporation, built on BTS, but evolving. HYBE Corporation, formerly Big Hit Entertainment, grew alongside BTS. Key facts: BTS has historically contributed a large percentage of HYBE's revenue. HYBE expanded into Weverse, fan platform, global artist acquisitions, music labels in the US and beyond. But despite diversification, one reality remained: BTS is still HYBE's strongest asset. 3. The hiatus era. What happened to HYBE stock? When BTS paused group activities due to military enlistment and solo projects, the market reacted. Observed effects. Investor uncertainty increased. Stock volatility rose. Analysts questioned HYBE's dependency on BTS. Even though members like Jungkook, RM, and others released successful solo projects, it wasn't enough to fully replace the full group effect. Why? Because BTS as a group multiplies impact. Combined fandom power, ARMY, larger media coverage, higher global engagement. 4. The comeback announcement. Market shockwaves. Every time news of BTS returning surfaces, even rumors, something interesting happens. HYBE stock reacts immediately. Why? Because markets are forward-looking. Investors don't wait for results. They price in expectations. A BTS comeback signals massive album sales incoming, global tours, billions in revenue, brand deals revival, platform engagement spikes, Weverse, merch, etc. In simple terms, more BTS equals more money. 5. The BTS effect on revenue streams. Let's break down how a comeback impacts HYBE financially. 1. Music sales and streaming. Album sales in the millions. Streaming dominance globally. Digital and physical sales combined. 2. World tours. This is the biggest revenue driver. A BTS world tour can generate hundreds of millions to billions of dollars. Sold out stadiums across continents. 3. Merchandise. ARMY is known for high engagement, strong purchasing power. 4. Platforms. Weverse. Increased subscriptions, high engagement, exclusive content monetization. 6. Investor psychology. Why stocks explode. Stocks don't move just because of revenue. They move because of expectations, sentiment, confidence. A BTS comeback creates positive sentiment, global media buzz, renewed investor confidence. This leads to buying pressure, stock price increase. 7. Global market impact. Beyond Korea. HYBE isn't just a Korean company anymore. It operates globally. US market presence, international artist collaborations, global distribution networks. So when BTS returns, the impact is global, not local. Investors worldwide pay attention. 8. Is this sustainable or just hype? Here's a critical question. Argument: it's real growth. BTS has proven long-term success. Strong global fanbase. Consistent record-breaking achievements. Counterpoint: risk factors. Overdependence on BTS. Market competition. Changing music trends. The truth: it's both real value and amplified hype. 9. HYBE's strategy: reducing dependency. HYBE is not blind to the risk. They've been acquiring other labels, developing new artists, expanding into tech platforms. But even with diversification, BTS remains the core driver. 0. The comeback multiplier effect. A BTS comeback doesn't just add value, it multiplies it. Example: chain reaction. 1. Comeback announcement. 2. Media explosion. 3. Fan engagement surge. 4. Sales and streaming spike. 5. Tour announcements. 6. Brand partnerships. 7. Investor confidence rises. 8. Stock price increases. It's a full ecosystem effect. 11. Why BTS is different from other artists. Many artists are successful, but BTS is unique because they have a global fan army, ARMY, strong emotional connection with fans, cultural influence beyond music. This creates predictable demand at massive scale. 12. Risks investors still watch. Even with hype, smart investors consider market saturation, economic conditions, industry competition, artist lifecycle. But BTS has already proven longevity beyond typical trends. 13. Final verdict. So, BTS comeback equals exploding stocks. Not guaranteed, but highly likely. Because strong fundamentals, massive global demand, proven track record, emotional fan loyalty. When you combine all of these, you don't just get a comeback, you get a market-moving event. The return of BTS isn't just about music, it's about influence, it's about economics, it's about power. And for HYBE Corporation, it might just be the biggest momentum boost in years. So the next time you see BTS trending, remember, it's not just fans watching, it's the entire global market. Rocket!